Ultimate Computer Hacks and Hidden Features. Episode 1, Unlocking Hidden Windows Features. Showcase lesser-known features in Windows that can enhance productivity or customization. Episode 2, Speed up your computer like a pro. Share tips and tricks to optimize computer speed and performance. Episode 3, Mastering Keyboard Shortcuts for Efficiency. Highlight keyboard shortcuts for various operating systems and popular software. Episode 4, Secrets of Mastering Microsoft Office. Uncover advanced features and shortcuts in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Episode 5, Organizing Your Digital Life, Tips and Tools. Explore tools and techniques for efficient file organization and digital decluttering. Episode 6, DIY Computer Upgrades, from RAM to graphics cards. Provide a step-by-step guide for upgrading computer components for improved performance. Episode 7, Customizing Your Desktop, Themes, Widgets, and Beyond. Showcase ways to personalize desktops with themes, widgets, and creative customization. Episode 8, Advanced Google Search Techniques. Demonstrate powerful search techniques to find information more quickly and effectively. Episode 9, Data Backup and Recovery, Protecting Your Digital World. Walk through the process of backing up data and recovering it in case of emergencies. Episode 10, Creating Your Own Virtual Machine, a Beginner's Guide. Introduce viewers to the concept of virtual machines and guide them in creating their own. Episode 11, Building a Custom PC, From Parts to Power. Provide a detailed guide on assembling a custom-built PC, catering to various budgets. Episode 12, Securing Your Online Presence, Tips and Tools. Discuss cybersecurity practices, password management, and tools to stay safe online. Episode 13, Mastering Photoshop, Essential Skills for Beginners. Offer a beginner-friendly tutorial on essential Photoshop skills for graphic design. Episode 14, Creating Stunning Presentations with Canva. Explore design tips using Canva for creating visually appealing presentations. Episode 15, DIY Home Automation, Turning Your PC into a Smart Hub. Showcase how to use a computer as a central hub for home automation projects. Episode 16, Creating Interactive Spreadsheets in Excel. Demonstrate advanced features in Excel for creating interactive and dynamic spreadsheets. Episode 17, Automating Tasks with Batch Files. Teach viewers how to create and use batch files for automating repetitive tasks on Windows. Episode 18, Mastering Google Drive, Tips for Collaboration and Organization. Explore collaborative features and organizational tips within Google Drive. Episode 19, Unveiling the Power of Command Prompt. Showcase useful commands and tricks in the command prompt for Windows users. Episode 20, Efficient Multitasking with Virtual Desktops. Guide users on how to use virtual desktops for efficient multitasking in Windows. Episode 21, Hidden Gems in Mac OS, Tips for Mac users. Share lesser-known features and shortcuts for users on Mac OS. Episode 22, Customizing Browser Extensions for Productivity. Explore various browser extensions and how to customize them for enhanced productivity. Episode 23, The Art of Efficient Email Management. Provide tips on organizing and managing emails effectively for improved productivity. Episode 24, Advanced Photo Editing with GIMP. Offer a tutorial on advanced photo editing techniques using the GIMP software. Episode 25, Unlocking Smartphone Features with Developer Options. Show viewers how to access and utilize developer options on their smartphones. Episode 26, Secrets of Efficient File Searching in Windows. Share tips for quickly finding files on Windows using advanced search techniques. Episode 27, Creating 3D Models with Blender, a Beginner's Guide. Provide an introductory guide to creating 3D models using Blender software. Episode 28, DIY Network Attached Storage, NAS. Walk viewers through the process of setting up a DIY network attached storage system. Episode 29, Exploring Linux, a Beginner's Guide to Ubuntu. Introduce beginners to the basics of Ubuntu and Linux. Episode 30, Fun and Productive Browser Shortcuts You Didn't Know. Share lesser-known keyboard shortcuts for popular web browsers. Episode 31, Creating Memorable Passwords That Are Easy to Remember. Provide tips for creating strong yet memorable passwords. Episode 32, Setting up and using a VPN for enhanced privacy. Guide users on selecting and using a VPN for online privacy and security. Episode 33, Exploring the World of Augmented Reality Apps. Showcase AR applications and how to use them for an immersive experience. Episode 34, Mastering the Art of Social Media Automation. Share tools and strategies for automating social media tasks. Episode 35, Effortless Video Editing with iMovie. Provide a beginner-friendly tutorial on video editing using iMovie. Episode 36, Customizing Android, Tips for Personalization. Showcase various customization options for Android users, including launchers, widgets, and themes. Episode 37, Advanced Google Search Tips for Researchers. Dive into advanced Google search techniques, operators, and filters for more precise results. Episode 38, Mastering the Art of Screenshotting, Tips and Tricks. Share different methods and shortcuts for taking screenshots on various devices. Episode 39, DIY Home Automation with Raspberry Pi. Explore how to use Raspberry Pi for creating smart home automation projects. Episode 40, Creating Interactive Presentations with Prezi. Provide a tutorial on using Prezi for dynamic and engaging presentations. Episode 41, Efficient Note-Taking Strategies with Evernote. Share tips and tricks for maximizing productivity with the Evernote note-taking app. Episode 42, Customizing Your Smartphone Home Screen, Android and iOS. Offer creative ideas for customizing smartphone home screens on both Android and iOS. Episode 43, Unlocking Google Chrome Extensions for Productivity. Showcase productivity-focused Chrome extensions and how to use them effectively. Episode 44, Creating Your Own Podcast, a step-by-step guide. Guide viewers through the process of starting their own podcast, from recording to publishing. Episode 45, Exploring AI in Everyday Life, Practical Applications. Highlight practical applications of artificial intelligence in daily activities and software. Episode 46, DIY Home Security Systems with Smart Cameras. Provide a step-by-step guide to setting up a DIY home security system using smart cameras. Episode 47, Efficient eBook Management with Calibre. Showcase how to use Calibre for managing and organizing your ebook library. Episode 48, Creating a DIY Gaming PC, from Setup to Optimization. Walk viewers through the process of building and optimizing a gaming PC. Episode 49, Mastering Social Media Analytics, Tools and Insights. Introduce tools and techniques for analyzing social media analytics to improve engagement. Episode 50, Securing Your Online Accounts, Two-Factor Authentication. Guide viewers through the setup and importance of two-factor authentication for online accounts. Episode 51, Unleashing the Power of Google Calendar, Tips and Tricks. Share advanced features and organizational tips for Google Calendar users. Episode 52, Customizing Your Mac Dock, Tips for a Personalized Look. Offer tips on customizing the Mac OS dock for a more personalized and efficient workspace. Episode 53, DIY Home Studio Setup for Content Creators. Provide guidance on setting up a budget-friendly home studio for content creation. Episode 54, Mastering the Art of Password Management. Explore different password management tools and best practices for secure password usage. Episode 55, Exploring Virtual Reality, Entry-Level to Advanced Experiences. Showcase various virtual reality experiences and tips for getting started. Episode 56, Advanced Excel Formulas for Data Analysis. Dive into advanced Excel formulas and functions for effective data analysis. Episode 57, Enhancing Productivity with Browser Tab Management. Share tips and tools for efficient browser tab management to boost productivity. Episode 58, Creating and Using Macros in Microsoft Office. Provide a tutorial on creating and using macros in Microsoft Office applications. Episode 59, Optimizing Your PC for Gaming, Tips and Tweaks. Share tips and tweaks to optimize a PC specifically for an enhanced gaming experience. Episode 60, Customizing iPhone Accessibility Settings for Efficiency. Showcase lesser-known accessibility settings on iPhones for a more personalized experience. Episode 61, DIY Arduino Projects for Beginners. Introduce beginners to DIY projects using Arduino for hands-on electronic experimentation. Episode 62, Effective Email Marketing Strategies for Small Businesses. Share strategies and tools for small businesses to implement successful email marketing campaigns. Episode 63, Navigating the Linux Terminal, Essential Commands. Guide viewers through essential commands in the Linux terminal for beginners. Episode 64, Mastering Adobe Premiere Pro, Basic Video Editing Tips. Provide basic video editing tips for beginners using Adobe Premiere Pro. Episode 65, Creating Interactive Forms with Google Forms. Demonstrate how to create engaging and interactive forms using Google Forms. Episode 66, Exploring Google Earth, Tips for Virtual Travel. Showcase tips for virtual travel using Google Earth and uncovering hidden gems. Episode 67, DIY Home Automation with Smart Lights. Offer a guide on setting up and automating smart lights for an intelligent home. Episode 68, Efficient Podcast Editing with Audacity. Share tips and tricks for editing podcasts using the free Audacity software. Episode 69, Unlocking Siri's Hidden Features on iPhone. Explore lesser-known features and capabilities of Siri on iPhones. Episode 70, Building a Home Server, Tips for Storage and Access. Guide viewers through building a home server for centralized storage and access. Episode 71, Enhancing Privacy with Browser Privacy Extensions. Recommend and demonstrate browser extensions for enhancing online privacy. Episode 72, Mastering Android Widgets for Customization. Showcase creative ways to use and customize widgets on Android devices. Episode 73, Creating Animated GIFs with Free Software. Provide a tutorial on creating animated GIFs using free software tools. Episode 74, Unlocking Advanced Features of Your DSLR Camera. Explore advanced features and settings on DSLR cameras for better photography. Episode 75, DIY Cloud Storage Solutions for Data Security. Guide users through setting up their own cloud storage solutions for added data security.